What up, kings, queens, prince, and princesses? Welcome to I'm back with another cooking video. So yes, as I said, I'm back with another cooking video. So tonight is actually 10:54. I'm cooking this late. I already cooked their meal, so I'm just gonna cook mine. But it's 10:54 currently, and I'm gonna cook chicken and noodles. So this is a meal that, well, I know I've been eating it for a while. My husband doesn't prefer it. Even when my dad was alive, he didn't prefer it. I don't know if it's because of the baked chicken. I don't know. Well, the boiled chicken, I don't know. But this is a meal that I've been eating for a while. My mom cooked it. Well, cooks it. My sister cooks it. Friends of the family cooks it. And we all enjoy it. So you can eat this type of meal. You can eat with green peas. Well, I know see a lot of people eat with green peas. I just eat it like it is. So you'll see at the end. But yeah, so it's an easy meal. Well, it is an easy meal. I wouldn't say it takes a long time, but let me just show you the ingredients that I use for this meal. So you have your noodles, cream of chicken. You can use cream of chicken or cream of mushrooms, chicken, and the seasoning. So this is what I use for this meal. Sometimes I include Italian dressing, but I don't know if I'm going to do that this time. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me. Let me know if you've all eaten this before or if you all going to try it. I really enjoy it. And it is kind of a health. It's not any fried foods. As I stated, you're going to boil the chicken. So it's not really a fried food. So my first step, I already put the water in the pot. So I'm going to season it. No, put a little seasoning in the water. A little bit of seasoning. Maybe like the black pepper, the onion powder, the nature seasoning in the water. And I'm going to clean the chicken and cut the chicken up because I got the wings. So I'm going to cut them and I'm put them in the water and let it boil. So get it tender a little bit, but the seasoning's going to add a little flavor to it while it is getting tender. So I'm going to let that boil, and then I'm going to pour that water off, and then I'll keep you all updated on what I do next. So just watch it here. Let me get y'all set up. You're going down, down, baby. It looks crooked. Oh, you're going down, down, baby, again. Chicken in the pot. So the chicken is in the pot now. So I know y'all probably like, why she didn't show us cleaning her chicken? I cleaned it. I cut it. When I clean, I run some vinegar and cleaned it, again on it as well. So I'm gonna let that simmer for about 30-40 minutes. Let that cook till it's a little tender. And in the meantime, I'm gonna check on this lasagna. He just had to have more lasagna. And see what it looked like this time. So far, this is not a lasagna video, but I just had to show y'all. It's looking better than last time. I drained the meat more. Last time I didn't drain it enough. I did drain it, but I didn't drain it enough. But let that cook for about 40 minutes. I'm gonna cut it down. I had it on 10, but 8. Put it on 8. Let it cook for about 40 minutes. And then as I said, I'm gonna pour that water off of there. Then add some more water. Then add all my seasonings with the Sazon Goya packet. Let that cook a little while. Then add the cream of chicken. Stir that in. Let it cook about 5 minutes. Then add the noodles. The chicken, by then the chicken should be falling off the bone. Add the noodles. Let those cook. Then we should be done. But this is I don't know if I already told you, but this is one of little Dominique's favorite meals. So I'll be surprised if he don't ask for some of this for lunch in the morning. That's probably why he's asking, am I driving in the morning to him to school? So he can ask me to fix him some of this for lunch, because his daddy probably not. What else? I think I'm gonna start doing something special. Let me sit down with these cooking videos so I can have like something different to cook every week. I did say I was gonna get you all opinion. I'm gonna do that and have them pick from that, and then also I came up with another idea, would just be random stuff I never cooked because I want to try new things. I'm open to trying new things, not sushi, but yeah. Enough of me talking. I'm gonna get back to cooking in a few.
My food finally done.
It tastes just as good because last time was just so good.
Yeah, last time was good. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat. We went to the hospital. We came back and I went to sleep because I didn't go to sleep at all, not one bit throughout the night. So came here, I went to sleep at like 11 something, and I ain't wake up until 6 o'clock. So I didn't eat nothing today. I didn't eat at all. So I'm about to eat, and my food is finally done. That look delicious. I'm about to tear this up. Ooh, I'm starving.
You ain't that hungry.
Yes, I am. I am starving. Yeah, I see you made a frozen cook.
I heard one of them say it earlier. I'm like, Lord, they didn't call me. They didn't call me.
I had made some Kool-Aid. I don't know. I guess it's just my duty to make the Kool-Aid.
It's just my duty to do everything else, so you got to do it.
Yeah, I made the Kool-Aid. Is it Mo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Mo Kool-Aid back there. I made the Kool-Aid and she made a frozen cup. Why you put it in the microwave? But I'm about to eat this food. I am starving. Davion done fell asleep over there. He sounded much better. You don't hear it, and he not like he was snoring. But he don't seem like he congested anymore. But it's time for him to take his medicine because he gotta take antibiotics every 12 hours. And he took it at 11 when we got it. So now he took it at 11:30 when we got it, so it's time for him to take it again. What time is it? Oh, 11:29. But I'm gonna put this camera down because I'm about to eat. I am starving. And should I end the video right now? Yeah, I gotta end the video right here because she vlogging her cooking or preparing her meal. How long yours gonna take?
Probably about 45 hours. Not that long.
Yeah.
I got to boil the chicken, finish boiling the chicken.
I couldn't wait that long. She ate some cereal and all that, but
You
I
said
didn't
all
eat.
like it was more than cereal. This is my second thing I ate frozen cup.
You eat that more than me. I didn't eat at all. You know how sometimes you have a snack but you don't eat a meal? I didn't put nothing in my mouth today.
You
I don't even
after
think
12 o'clock. You ain't eat nothing. Yeah.
I don't think so. That last time when I had
It
those
was
cookies,
missing chicken in there.
I ate that as soon as I said I ain't want that. That's why I put the other one back. Yeah, I ain't eat nothing. I don't even think I got nothing to drink. I did.
So it could be a whole day.
I got some. I drank some Kool-Aid earlier. That's the only thing. I am starving. But I'm
like that time when we had to go to Louisiana for the
the
hurricane.
We vlogged that. We didn't eat nothing. We was up for a whole 24 hours, over 24 hours driving from here because it was a hurricane. I put the vlog in the on the screen. Just click on it. You can watch that vlog. That was a good, fun vlog. We drove from here because it was a hurricane all the way to Louisiana, and it was the traffic was horrible because they evacuated. Didn't they evacuate us? Or they was about to.
They did?
They evacuated us, so it was so many people on that road. Go watch that vlog. It was a nice vlog. Even the ones after that when we was in Louisiana, we had a fun time, even though we was leaving for a hurricane.
I'm back, you guys. And as you can see, the chicken is starting to fall off the bone. So it doesn't look pretty appetizing yet. But yeah, it's starting to fall off the bone. So I'm about to pour that water off of here. Let me set y'all back up.
It's charging? I mean, recording?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah. Okay. Adding the seasoning. He going to sleep. Huh?
Wake me up at 11.
It's after 11. He going to sleep on me, y'all. Everybody, well, the kids sleep. Dominique going to sleep now. I'm going to be on you on up. But y'all up with me. Cooking with me. So I put all those seasonings in. I'm going to open this box up. Put 1 pack. So while that's simmering, I say for about 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. Let that cook for a little bit. And then I'm going to add the cream of chicken and stir that in. So, oh, let me show y'all how it look. That's going to get to boiling. I'm going to be chilling until it's done. So let me talk to y'all. So our 5-year anniversary, wedding anniversary is coming up next month, April 18th. So you guys, I need your help. Maybe y'all can help me think of something to get my honey. You know, put the comments down. He may see it, but he won't know what I'm gonna pick. Yeah, or what, something that give us some ideas of what we can do. I already have some ideas of some things I'm planning, but you know, it's some. You know, I feel like it's a big deal. We made it 5 years, and God willing, we'll be together for many, many more years. You know, marriage is not all peaches and cream. We smile, we cry, we laugh, we scream. But all in all that matters is that we love each other, you respect each other, and I say it's been a long 5 years. It's been a great 5 years. I wouldn't have wanted to, you know, do it with anybody else but him. Spend those 5 years with anybody else but him. I know it's all mushy. But yeah, so give me some ideas of something to do, something to get him for 5 years of being married. And because I probably have like, today's the 28th because it's after midnight. So I have exactly 3 weeks till our anniversary. So put it down in the comment section and let me know. I'm back. Okay, so I'm about to add the noodles in here. Up in here. Y'all gonna make me add them noodles up in here. Let me get this bag cut. I'm gonna show y'all. Wait, hold on. Pause. Not the noodles. The cream of chicken, sorry. This is what it looks like if you all don't know. Stir that on up in there. That's for the trash. chicken is really, really like, really falling off the bone. Look at that. Y'all see that? Really. Stir that up on in there. And then I add the noodles. Should I do some Italian? I'm doing a smidget. Just a smidget. I said I wasn't. But not that much, not this time. The noodles are in there. Just let that cook and show y'all what it looked like. What it looked like. What it looked like. Get all the trash. Put it in the trash. I like to clean up as I go. What about y'all? Because I don't want to be waiting to the end and have everything to clean up. Clean up as I go. Put this up. This is empty. Put it in the trash. Okay, that's everything. So this is, the noodles are cooking. Basically, just like regular pasta noodles. They have to cook. Once they're done, the food is done. And I'll tell y'all how it tastes. Okay guys, my food is done. As you can see, I'm gonna put some on the plate. So I like to put hot sauce on mine sometimes. Now look at this. I'm gonna get a bowl. I am so sleepy. It's currently 1:19. I shouldn't even be eating this late. Really shouldn't be. Get a little bit, get some chicken. Put a little hot sauce on my burrito, baby. I'll put some hot sauce on it a little bit. I can't put this in my mouth right now. It's gonna be too hot. Let me go this way. Okay, so that's done. Let me cut the stove off. Let that cool off before I put it up. Let me get a first bite for y'all, and then I'm gonna be out because I'm tired. See how I did this time, because it seems like every time I do it different. It looks different. Let's see after. My lip. I did good. Seasoned pretty good. Now I bit my lip. It's good. So y'all try it. So if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And always remember, you are a king, you are a queen, you are a prince, and you are a little bitty princess. Bye y'all. Peace.